the other day, and I picked this little snot pimple came out.
Yeah.
It was like a finger, and I didn't know I had the gum in my mouth. I put the snot in my mouth with the gum, and I'm chewing the snot around the gum. I'm thinking of Joe Rogan.
No.
Tremendous.
Is it still in your nose?
Why were you thinking of me?
It's in
Because
my
you
nose.
hate boogers when I tell
I
you,
hate
buddy.
when he eats boogers.
Oh,
Yeah, we all
and
do.
the boogers from tomorrow will be better.
He'll
They're
pick a
coated with this
booger and
shit.
start eating, and I just start.
God, no.
I get.
Dude. You know,
And I hosted Fear Factor.
Oh, God.
I watched a lot of
Joey.
people eat some horrible shit. I eat a booger and I'll throw up.
Oh my God, that is so good.